Alright, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto refried beans. Here are your ingredients. That's all you'll need. And you'll also need your blender or food processor and scraper. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cook down 1 eggplant and 1 small zucchini. You put them in a pan, chopped up, and cook them down. It does not need any seasonings. You just need a little olive oil for your pan, but you do not need any seasonings at this time. And then you'll put it in a glass container like this that can go into your microwave. Alright, so now I'm going to give you the rest of the ingredients here so you could do your prep. You will need 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll need 4 slices of bacon chopped up and 3 tablespoons of butter. Alright, so your first step is to take your bacon, place it on top of your vegetables. Oops. There you go. And you're going to cook this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so here is 5 minutes after you've cooked this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add your seasonings and your butter. And then you're going to mix this really well. Alright, after you've given it a good stir, you're going to put this back in the microwave for 3 more minutes. Alright, so here it is guys. Might want to just mix it one more time. This is after your 3 minutes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put this into your food processor. And I would use a slatted spoon because you don't want, you see all this liquid here? You're not going to put that in because you don't want your beans runny and stuff. Sorry, my lens is getting fogged up. So you do not want that liquid. So use a slatted spoon to pour into your food processor blender, and then you're going to blend it up, okay? Alright guys, this is ready to go, and I'm going to blend. And well friends, there you have it. Refried beans. The consistency is amazing. The taste is amazing. There you go.